I've been training calisthenics for quite some time now, so to attempt to break through some strength plateaus, I decided to pick up this weight vest and plate set by Bear Grips. I decided to go with this weight vest specifically because not only does it have adjustable shoulder and waist straps and even side pockets if you like to use them, but it also has a lot of inner padding to keep the plates from hitting your body and features lots and lots of Velcro to keep the plates secure inside the vest while you're using it, which is really important for safe training. Since I have the full set with me here, I'm going to show you how to install the plates into the weight vest, and then we're going to test it out together and see if it stays secure as I do some pull-ups. Here we go. All right, so as you can see on this vest, there's a lot of different straps and pouches. In order for us to install the plates into the vest, the location of the opening for the pouches are on the bottom part of the vest. I'm going to start with the front side and then we're going to go to the back. The first thing we need to do is undo these Velcro straps on the outermost part of it. And then from there, we have to open up this pocket. This entire inside pocket is made out of Velcro, so the entire thing is attached together. So it's gonna take quite a bit of effort to pull, but here we go. As you can see, the inside has even more Velcro to keep things secure, so we have to undo this part too. Open up the pocket. Now that we have the pouch open, we're gonna go ahead and put in the first plate. Slides in just like that. To secure it, we're going to do the exact same thing in reverse. So first, we're going to put these two inner straps back in deep into the pouch, ensuring that the Velcro will press against the Velcro outer. And then we're going to put this other inner attachment on top of the two latches for extra security. Again, pushing it deep inside the pocket. And then we're going to press the top part padded with Velcro onto the inside before attaching the outer Velcro onto the inner Velcro in this portion, and then ultimately finishing it off with the outer latches. Just like that. To install a second plate, all you have to do is repeat the exact same process, but on the pouch that's on the back side of the vest. Now that I've got this weight vest on, I'm gonna go ahead and test it out to see if the plate stays secure in the vest as I do my pull-ups. First, I'm going to start with just the front plate as a warm-up, and then I'm gonna go ahead and attach the back plate so that we can test both for a total of about 18 added pounds. That felt pretty good. Let's go ahead and add the back plate. And there we go. This weight vest was super easy to set up, adjust, and put on, and most importantly, both of the pouches stayed secure and closed the entire time that I was doing pull-ups. So if you're looking for a high quality weight vest and plate set to add to your strength training routine that's really easy to set up and is fully adjustable, pick up this set from Bear Grips for yourself today and enjoy your gains.